Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable receive updates on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just come here to receive updates. Then you click in this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here receive updates enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.